Chinese Chengdu Auto Show, the new VW Volkswagen Tayron family officially met with consumers. The car was officially launched on August 23. The new VW Volkswagen Tayron family will launch 3 different versions: Tayron, Tayron X and Tayron GTE. From the appearance point of view, the new Tayron adopts the official design language of Rouge, and the details have been upgraded. The layout of the front grille has changed significantly. At the same time, the internal light source of the headlight group is also different from the front. The internal layout of the grille is better, and the visual effect is more coordinated. At the rear, the new car is equipped with the currently popular through-type taillights. The new Tayron has also upgraded the lighting system, using a luminous logo and running water turn signals. The overall style is closer to the direction of futurism and electrification. In terms of configuration, the new Tayron family comes standard with a large-size sunroof, reversing image plus radar. The high-end models are also equipped with a Harman Kardon audio system, 30-color adjustable interior atmosphere lights, and IQ.360 panoramic visual parking system. In terms of power, the new Tayron will be equipped with 1.4 TSI and 2.0 TSI engines, with a maximum power of 150 horsepower, 186 horsepower, and 220 horsepower respectively. The drivetrain is paired with a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. The new Tayron X will provide a 2.0 TSI engine, with a maximum power of 186 horsepower and 220 horsepower. The Tayron GTE, powered by PHEV, is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system, composed of a 1.4 TSI and a motor. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.
Audio Jungle.